This is Matt, and this will be a video on how to download Slack. So I'm right here on the main Slack downloads page. You can find it at slack.com/download. So it's quite a long URL there actually, so I'll include that as a link just below this video in the video description, so you can just click on the link and wind up here. Now it will identify your operating system. It's correctly identified that I am in fact on a Mac, which is accurate. Now if you are on Windows, you'll see a page like this, and there's a Linux version 2. If you want any of these other ones, you can click here. For example, if you're on Parallels or something, you want to download it for a different operating system. So all that's left to do now is click this big white button that says download. And just like that, we're redirected to this page. You can see the icon went flying up in the top right corner. If you saw that, it's a universal symbol on a Mac that something has been downloaded. And depending on your browser downloads location, for example, I'm on Google Chrome on this Mac, so all of the files and folders downloaded go into the downloads folder. Your download location might be different, but you'll just follow the instructions here. So you literally just open the installer and follow the instructions. It's super simple, that's the easy bit. But hopefully you found this video on how to download Slack useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.